What's up guys, Jack here, and welcome back to another 2-minute tech tutorial. So I've been using the Logitech Superstrike for a couple weeks now, and the new click system is great, but something that's really been pissing me off is the skates on the bottom. Logitech's notorious for having shit skates out of the box, especially when comparing it to something like my Beast X Max, which comes with these dot skates. This thing straight up feels like I'm moving it through sludge when I'm trying to hit a flick. So today we're gonna be swapping to these Obsidian Pro Air dot skates. I got these on Amazon for like 15 bucks, and I'll leave the link down in the description below. Let's head over to the desk and see if we can make this thing glide better. All right, so just taking a look at my Beast X Max here, you can see that this thing just glides so easily. Compared to when I slide the Superstrike, you can just see it stops on a dime. There's no glide to this thing. It doesn't have any smoothness. And please excuse my dirty mouse pad. I'm planning to get a new one soon. All right, so taking a look at the box here, you get some alcohol wipes, you get 2 packs of the skates, and then you get 2 adhesive removal wipes. So to remove the old skates, I just got my fingernail underneath the skate of the Superstrike. The bottom one came off super easily, the U-shaped one. The top one I had a little bit more trouble with, but I just worked it slowly from one corner and then eventually peeled it off. And those adhesive removal wipes did a good job of cleaning up any residue left over. Next, I prepped it with the alcohol pad, and this just ensures that those dots will adhere to that surface. So for applying them, there's a bunch of different schools of thought on the best orientation to apply these. This is my first time doing this, but the most popular one I saw was 6 on the bottom and 4 on the top. So you do like kind of a horseshoe shape on the bottom and then 4 kind of like just at the top of your mouse. This seemed to work fine for me. Maybe I'll change it up in the future, but let me know down in the comments what you guys would suggest. And immediately I can tell that this is just gonna glide way better. You can see that it's just not stopping like it used to. It doesn't have that sluggish feel anymore, and I'm super excited to try these out in game. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.